Here we have a Esprit V8 1996 in red, 42,000 miles, beautiful condition throughout. It's had a lot of work done to the car. Engine was rebuilt in 2015, timing belt was changed last year. Aircon has been overhauled as well, so it does have cold aircon. Momo steering wheel, radio cassette with wood detailing, which also matches the burr walnut on the door cards. Magnolia leather. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat, which we will re-dye. As you can see, in lovely condition. A couple of minor stone chips who've been really picky on it, but they're really this good. A couple of marks on one or two of the wheels, only this one's the worst one. Electric windows, electric mirrors, overmats, workshop manuals in the rear, full set, and it has the other bar in the bag. And there's the engine, not that you can see much of it with the cover in place. But very nicely looked after mechanically, and the bodywork is in excellent order. 42,300 miles, available through Allon Sports Cars. Thank you for looking.